Hey, look at this benchmark, the comparison of AI models, and you can see GLM 5.1, which has been released 2 days ago by Z.ai. And this is a Chinese company, this is open source model. You can see this is ranked number 3 globally and number 1 open source AI model. You can see in the benchmark, it is ahead of other open source models like Gemini 3.1, Queen, Minimax, Kimi, and just slightly behind ChatGPT and Claude. It is competing these top models that you can see in the benchmark. This is the comparison. But not just it is good for coding, but it is good for running for long time also. Not per minutes, but even per hours by its own self according to this release. So the real question is this just another AI model with good benchmarks? Or is it actually powerful enough to build real projects, run complex tasks, and help developers like us? In this video, I am going to test GLM 5.1 in real world scenarios. First, I will show you how to use it for free. Then we will give it a real project and see what it builds. And finally, we will push it to the limit with a long autonomous task and see what happens. So to use this GLM 5.1 for free, I will show you two methods to use this. The first one is Hugging Face. After coming to the Hugging Face, you can search for GLM and you will see GLM 5.1. Simply click that and you will face with this page. Here you can see the benchmark and the comparison with other models. On the right side, you can see, and here is a chat option that you can chat with this GLM 5.1 for free. Just send your chat here. But instead of using here, we will use it inside VS Code editor to create our project and fix bugs and also create files. So for that, we will use Modal. The model which provide us the API key to integrate it inside VS Code using an agent. So move to the model.com website. You can see at the top the notification GLM 5.1 is available to try and model. So press get started and you will move to the GLM this page, GLM 5 endpoint. So first you need to create your account. I have already created my account. After creating account, you will move to this page and you will see this JSON. And here at the left side, you will see this token, API token. So to create token, simply press this button, you will be able to create your own token. But let's move practically implemented inside VS Code editor. So this is VS Code editor. You can use Kilo Code, Open Code, Client or Raw Code to integrate it. But I will use Kilo Code. The Kilo Code has been opened. Let's move to the setting of Kilo Code. After moving to the settings, we will move to the providers because we would like to add a provider. So here are different options that you can select. But for this to use GLM 5.1, we will select custom provider. Press connect and custom provider. And here we will assign a name to our provider. The name should be lowercase model. Move to the display name. So we would like to display like this. Again, model. Something like this, whatever name you assign. Now we move to the base URL. So for the base URL, after creating your account and moving GLM5 endpoint, you will see this page. And this is the base URL until version 1. So this is your base URL. Copy this back to VS Code editor to the base URL, paste it here. Now let's come to the API key. So for the API key, here you will see the API tokens. Simply create, assign a name, and it will give you API key. Whenever it give you a pop-up API key, copy at that time. After copying that, I have created already 1 hour ago. I have already created and I will copy that. So this is my API key. I have created. I will copy this and move back to VS Code and paste that here. Now to the models. So for the model, come here back to the page and here you will see model. Let's copy this zorg GLM 5.1-FP8. This is model name. Copy this, come to here and paste that here. Assign a name to the model. For example, GLM 5.1. This is the model name which will be displayed. What has been missed? Yeah, everything is okay. Now this is optional. Header is optional. Press submit button so it will connect with that. Look at model connected. After connection, let's close the setting. Come here back. And here we will select now inside the model and this area our GLM 5.1. Press this, Come here down on the model. Look at here, you can see the name and our own model GLM 5.1. Select this. After selecting that, now we can start chatting. So let's first of all open a folder. Open kilo code. Come here and select here model GLM 5.1. Simply let's first of all send hi this message. Now we will see the response. You can see how can I help you. Now you can ask it, let's for example create a developer portfolio. Create a developer portfolio using HTML and CSS. Press enter so it will create your portfolio. So it will create two files, HTML and CSS file. You can see the index.html file has been created. Now it is creating CSS file. The CSS file has been created too. Now it is just a developer portfolio created with two files, index.html and style.css. Now let's open inside or reveal in file explorer and we will run this, how it looks like. Let's double press this index. Look at this is our portfolio, John Doe full stack developer, and come here to the about me section and skills. You can see the skills, and down you can see the project feature projects. Down you can see get in touch in the footer. That is how you can build it. Skills, about, contact, and here hire me button also. So this was the portfolio that we built using GLM 5.1. That yeah, been done. If you would like to make more changes inside this portfolio, simply you can just whatever, for example, you want images. So I add images or here from Google or something else, whatever you want. So you can simply move and write your prompt here and put that so it will do that task for you. A very advanced and good AI model, but open source that you can use this for free. I hope you learned something from this video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.